So hey Boutique Babes, I'm back with another secret exclusive through Boutique Arie. I'm gonna make that the new tagline on these unboxing videos. I'm so silly with y'all. Let me know if that's funny to y'all or if y'all like it. So anywho, y'all requested for me to get some Easter dresses in stock last minute for you guys. And you know your girl had to come through and provide y'all with what you asked for, because here at Boutique Arie, what you say matters. Your opinion matters, and what you want, we give it to you. So, of course, I had to give y'all what you want. And this is one of the dresses. Isn't she gorgeous? Y'all look at these sleeves. Baby. It's giving texture. It's giving feminine. It's giving grown and girly. And it has a smocked waist that is super stretchy. I'm showing you guys the size small, okay, on me, because I'm a size small, but look at the stretch in it. So guess what? I could eat as many plates as I want on Easter and I'm gonna still look cute, because my dress is gonna stretch with me. This is how the bottom is made. So you have nice, pretty ruffles. And it's so light. The material is light and flowy, as you can see. So yeah, if you want to place an order for this, just let me know. It's not on the website. It's not posted yet, but I'm gonna be filming the content, and I'm gonna be taking the pictures and everything and posting them up to the website, so that way you can place an order. But in the meantime, boo, all you gotta do is hit me up if you want to place an order, and I will ship yours out like yesterday. Not literally yesterday, but literally I will ship it out. Say if you place your order today, I will place your order. I will ship out your order for tomorrow. And just so you know, guys, this is a limited collection, a last minute collection, a last minute request for you guys. So I have limited availability of this, and I'm gonna be going out and selling in person also. So once that inventory leaves, it's gone. You gotta wait until I place another order after these sell out, and then you'll be able to get these dresses. But last minute, I wanted to give you guys, like I said, some dresses because you requested some dresses for Easter, and I'm coming through with the looks for you. So love you, babes. I'm gonna show y'all the next Easter dress that we have featured in the next one. And I'm sorry, babes, I forgot to mention that pink dress that y'all just saw. It is featured in sizes small all the way up to 3X. So baby, place your order. I have it in multiple sizes, and that's to accommodate everyone, regular size versus plus size. So like I said, let me know if you want it. I'll ship it out to you, boo, and we can get it popping. Okay, love y'all, babes. So babes, this is the next dress. Remember I said that y'all requested some last minute Easter dresses? Here we go. In a pretty light denim blue. We've got bubble sleeves. It's nice and flowy, so you don't have to worry about, like we mentioned before, if you're eating all that good food for Easter, because y'all know in Louisiana the food is popping. It's amazing. So we're gonna be eating multiple plates of food throughout the day. You don't have to worry about looking all bloated and not cute in your dress, because this is loose and will grow with you as you eat. Okay, so this is a small on me, and look, I've got lots of room. It's loose, so you don't have to worry about that. And on me, it hits right past my knee. So yeah, and it's a loose, relaxed fit. This is how the hemline of the bottom is made. It's high-low, just slightly, ever so slightly. So that way, to the front, it hits about to my knee, and I'm 5'3". In the back, it goes just a little bit lower. And yeah, like I said, it's featured in the pretty light blue denim color. And this is available in size 1X to 2X. 1X to 3X. So it is available in plus size. This is ready to ship on hand, so you don't have to worry about waiting for it. If you place an order for today, then it will ship out tomorrow. So if you guys want these dresses, just let me know. I don't have it posted on the website yet. because like I said, it was a last minute decision to go ahead and give you guys some Easter dresses like you asked. But I will be filming all the content, and I will be taking pictures and everything to put on the website for the next shipment that will be coming in. But let me know if you want these dresses. Love you, babes. So babes, just so you know also, remember these pretty blue bad boys that we had in the previous pre-order collection? So I went ahead and I placed another order for you guys because I knew that these would be coming in, and look at how pretty that looks together. It's a perfect match. So you got the whole fit at Boutique Arie. Get your Easter fit, place your order. It ships within 4 business days, so you can place your order this week and you receive your Easter item by the time next week comes. So do not fret. As long as you place your order by Monday, you can rest assured receive your items. So love you, babes. See you in the next one. Hey babes, I'm back, and I wanted to show you guys another dress that I have in stock, readily available to ship to you guys. You requested to have some dresses that will be perfect for Easter, that you will be able to wear to church and still be able to wear afterwards when you eating all of your good food and everything, babe. Dresses that will be comfortable for you, that you don't have to worry about not being stretchy enough or not being flowy enough to hide that little bloat that we're gonna have from eating all of that good food. So baby, I got it for you. This is the next dress that we have featured, and it is available in size small to large. This one is not available in plus size, but I have another one for you guys, another option for my plus size babes, okay? So this one is in a pretty orange color. It's got bubble sleeves, so it's giving casual but still fashionable, casual but still trendy. It has an asymmetrical unbalanced line pattern that's going on with it from top to bottom, and it's textured, so you don't have to worry about wrinkles. You don't have to worry about it getting all wrinkly like we said and looking all crazy. So this is good for low maintenance. If you don't feel like ironing, perfect. Let's see, it comes to my knee, and I'm 5'3", so it's the perfect length for church. You know, it passes the fingertips test. And the bottom of it is just a regular hem. So the light denim one was a high-low kind of hem at the bottom. This one is just a regular straight across hem. So yeah, babes. And I also have something else for you guys, because y'all asked for the whole fit. Y'all asked for the dress and some sandals to go with it, and I had requests for some sandals with a back to it. So we have these pretty girls to go along with your dress. These are available in size 6 all the way up to 10. So, and we have half sizes available. So if you're a half size, do not fret. I have it available for you. They're in a pretty tan. They're nice and structured. They have a little bit of cushion on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about your feet being uncomfortable if you're wearing them for long periods of time. And they feature a little tassel on the side, which, let me take the paper off so that way you can see it. If I can get the paper. G3, you next to me? You coming in real quick?
Yes.
I know you love to be on the camera, huh?
Hi.
Ooh, they got this tape on here good. Y'all, real time, real see them.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
You didn't open that one.
Hey,
Hey,
guys.
guys.
So we're back, and I'm coming on to show you guys once again another item that's going to be featured in the last minute order that you guys asked me to place for some Easter dresses.
Yes, it is.
So here we go. This one is in our pretty sage green color.
Yes, it is. And
Remember in the previous video that I mentioned that orange dress that I showed you guys is only available in small through large, but this is the same exact dress, and it is available in plus sizing, so 1X to 3X. My plus size babes, this is the dress for you. It has bubble sleeves, so as you can see, we're giving comfy and cute, but still fashionable.
Yes, it is.
It's got the same asymmetric line pattern going on it. It's textured, so you don't have to worry about ironing or anything. Super low maintenance. And remember, I said in the previous video that the orange dress had a regular straight hem to the bottom. This one has it also. Let's see, I'm 5'3".
Yes.
And like I mentioned before with the other dress, this one hits me at my knee. So it passes the fingertips test, as we know, for your dress to be going to church in. So this is perfect for you to be able to wear to church. And then you still have your cute fit for after Easter. So it's multifunctional. Get it, babes.
Yes, it is. It's so
Get
cute,
it,
Mom.
babes. And remember, I showed y'all in the previous video that I had some sandals to go along with it for you guys because y'all requested the whole outfit, so that way y'all don't have to go shopping around and worry about anything.
Oh my gosh.
You
just
like
look
it?
how pretty these are. And the shoes.
And these were the sandals that were featured in the previous video. So guys, get your whole fit for Easter and order this week so that way it can come in by next week and you can wear your items. So love you, babes. Babes, these are in limited supply. They're available right now for Easter, and then once I sell out of these, because I am going to be selling in person also for Easter, once I sell out of these, you got to wait for the next shipment, boo. And nobody wants to have to wait on their stuff. We want our stuff right then and there whenever it's available and when we can get it. So get it before it sells out. These are also available in half sizes, so don't fret. They're available in size 6 to 10. So we have your size available. Get them before they're out of stock. They're featured in this pretty brown. And they have, y'all, I just learned what this was called. I love this texture though, especially I love this texture for spring and summer. It's called espadrilles. Espadrilles.
Yeah.
Espadrilles. Y'all know I butcher some words. I can't say nothing right. But it's called espadrilles. And if I'm saying it wrong, somebody please correct me. But y'all know what I'm trying to say though. This textured summer and spring material that I love to see on sandals. So yeah, if you want to place your order, let me know, boo. We can make it happen. As your items will ship out the very next day with these items that I'm going to be showing you guys. So you place your order today, it ships out tomorrow. So go ahead and place your order. Have it come in time for Easter. Ensure that you place your order by the end of this week so that way it can come in time for you to be able to wear. Love you, babes. Talk soon. I just come into the stories real quick and show you guys this beauty. So she is a Nicole Lee handbag. She is vegan leather, premium vegan leather, baby. Okay, so she will last you. She's nice and structured, and she's got an array of neutral pretty browns. So this will also pair with another secret item that we have featured, so do not fret. As you can see, there's gold detailing on it, premium gold detailing. We've got zippers that easily zip open and close. We've got the large zipper here. We've got the inside, which has the strap to keep your purse closed, which we love. It unsnaps. We have where it comes also with an adjustable strap, so that way you can wear it on your shoulder if you don't want to wear it as a handbag and wear it on your arm. We have compartments on the inside. We have one here. We have one here. And we also have a zipper on the inside here. Another little compartment for things in your bag. And this is a nice deep size. As you can see, this can fit everything that you need with no problem. This is it compared to my head. So yeah, and this on camera, as you can see, it's more of a burgundy. It's a really deep burgundy. So I like this because it gives a little bit of a pop. Instead of it being just a regular neutral brown, or like a deep tone true brown, it's a true burgundy. So this gives a little bit of unexpected flair. It gives a little bit of pop, like we mentioned, and it just brings out the outfit more with things that you may pair with it. So it can go with an array of different colors. And yeah, it's a great everyday bag. So whatever you need will fit in this bag. And like we mentioned, it's structured.